This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the actual iOS emoji font file and the tools to install it on Android. You need the TTF file exported from an iPhone backup or extracted from an iOS firmware. This is the only authentic source for exact Apple emoji. Once you have the file, enable developer options and USB debugging on your Android so you can transfer files and, if needed, run a DB commands. Make sure you also install a capable file manager and a font installer or a compatible custom launcher to apply fonts. Next, you perform the font replacement step by step. First, back up the existing emoji font from /system/fonts or /vendor/fonts so you can restore it if anything goes wrong. Then transfer the Apple emoji, TTF, to the device. If you have root, replace the system emoji file, commonly Noto color emoji, TTF, with the Apple, TTF, and set file permissions to RWRR so the system accepts it. If you don't have root, use a launcher or font installer that supports custom emoji packs and follow its install flow. Once done, reboot to load the new font. Finally, you verify the change and handle common failures. After rebooting, open several apps and test emoji compatibility, skin tones, and modifier sequences. Some apps render differently. If you see blank boxes, undo the change by restoring your backup, then confirm the file name and permissions are correct. Incorrect names or perms are the usual culprits. If non-root methods fail, consider a third-party keyboard or obtain root access to replace the system font properly, making sure you keep a verified backup before you proceed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.